my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com. Today we're going to talk about how to wash a backpack. A lot of times you might be tempted to take a dirty book bag and throw it in your washing machine. However, if you don't have a front-loading washing machine, this can really damage your backpack. And you're also never supposed to use soap on them because it can cause delamination or break down the fibers of your backpack. So for this you will need a brush that you use specifically for cleaning, and then a washcloth and some water. So I'm going to first take my brush and try and get loose anything on the spot where most of the dirt is. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my washcloth and dip it in cold water, never hot, and I'm going to spot clean. Once you've spot cleaned your backpack and you have it to where you want it, the best way to continue to not damage your backpack is to keep it clean. So keeping snacks in Ziploc bags, making sure that you don't have drinks, especially drinks with sugar in them, rolling around free in there. They have pockets for things like that you can put bottles in securely, and pockets on the outside that are smaller for you to put snacks in. That'll help you keep your backpack clean so that then you're not tempted to throw it in with some soap or something. It's really important to remember to only spot clean or use only water to clean your backpack. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to clean a book bag.